Hello, everyone. Today we talk about one of the best new arrival from Samsung that is called Samsung Galaxy S7 Plus tablet. That is one of the best for Pubg mobile. This device contain best quality processor. It provide best quality of graphics. Samsung Galaxy S7 Plus tablet. PC performance. Tablet portability. Transform your tablet into a PC experience with DeX mode and the optional KEYBOARD1 with expanded trackpad. One sold separately. Redesigned S Pen included. With improved 9 milliseconds pen latency, the redesigned S Pen can control presentations, take notes and mark up papers effortlessly. Change the way you game. Bring console gaming to anywhere. Wi-Fi connection is available with an immersive screen and Bluetooth-enabled CONTROLLER3. 3 controllers sold separately. Charge fast. Power for hours. Go for hours on a single charge 4 and back to 100% with a fast charging USB-C port. 4 battery life may vary depending on network environment, usage patterns and other factors. Capture and connect. Stunning brightness and clarity with a wide 13MP and ultra-wide 5MP dual back and 8MP front-facing cameras. Say Netflix. Start streaming high Bixby. Begin streaming. Netflix now supports Bixby Voice, so you can start streaming instantly with Voice COMMAND5. 5. Netflix streaming membership required. The Netflix app and content availability may vary by country. Entertainment, upgraded. Experience cinematic viewing in your hands with larger edge-to-edge displays, AMOLED MES CREN2, and quad speakers tuned by 8kg with Dolby Atmos surround sound. 2-tab S711 screen is a TFT LCD screen. Always in sync. Use your Galaxy Tab S7 Plus as a hotspot, a second screen or a hyper-efficient vehicle for sharing ideas and content. Thanks for watching video. Please make sure like, share, subscribe, and comment below the comment section. Thank you.